Hello, what's up? Today it's gonna be the castle tower as pencil or pen holder. Yeah, it's like case. Okay, let's get started. It's gonna be simple because you know sometimes beginners also wanna have some models. So I just wanted to make it simple. Subdivision surface. Increase the segments. As you can understand, I started from the bottom part. What is this? Uh-oh, what is this? Yeah, you stay like this. Snap the vertex. Now it's completely flat and maybe increase one more and let's add some loop cuts here. Now it's looking perfect. Yeah, I know it's a little bit different here. I liked it actually, but if you wanna stick with the plan completely, let me show you how can you make it completely smooth and increase the segments. Yeah, as you can see, we have this. There's another way to do it actually in a flat way and you can do it, but no, I'm just okay with this settings here. So you can have loop cuts like this and we can have this. Let me show you other way. Okay, today I feel more like educator actually. So we need this shape, right? It has some gaps, so let's duplicate it little bit, maybe here. Origin to geometry, bounding box, and I'm not sure if it's enough for making circle. Oh, what am I doing? Let me duplicate it again. Now let's make a little bit more. Okay, you can merge them or join them. We need empty axis, object, transform, align objects here, and go to here. Where is this? Simple deform. Finally, I found it. We're gonna make it some fixing. As you can see, it always problematic because of this empty axis. Now we have a good what? We have good circle, but I told you it's not enough. Maybe we can have more high density. It's not a problem. You can just edit this and look at this. We have more stuff here. So my suggestion is don't apply this modifier before you are completely okay. Got it? Now let's keep it like this. Let's say we are okay and let's get rid of this. We need lattice. Align it to the object. Go here, please. Yeah, that will be enough. You're gonna see what we're gonna do. We are selecting here. We need more resolution. Yeah, that's fine. And go here. Add modifier, deform, lattice, object, and here. So we're gonna make it like deforming. Oh, it's gonna be so easy. Look at this. That was it. Did you see that? As you can see, it's not working. Do you know why? Of course you know. Go back. I told you go back. Because we have no loop cut here for these objects. Okay, that's why. It's nice that I forgot to add loop cuts at the beginning. Yeah, that's me. It's a classic. I always forgot something, but thankfully it was not detailed. So we can save ourselves in a quick way. Yeah, look at this. Now it's working because we have a loop cut here. It means we have polygons there. We don't need to apply the yeah, we need to apply that. Yeah, look at this. That was we are trying. Of course not. So let's apply the lattice and get rid of this. Now, this is the situation. I explained this on my previous videos. It's happening because even if we made it join with Ctrl J, these are separated objects. All right, so if you go here and separate by loose parts, these are still individual objects. So you can maybe try Boolean union and press it. It's not gonna work. All right, so in this case you need to merge. Wait, let me show you. If I can show you, you can merge it at the beginning, guys. Now you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. So you can connect them. Can you turn it off? I'm totally confused. What's happening? Okay, is it clear now? Hey, thank you. So you can join this, or you have already joined objects. You need to make them connected by fixing topology and, you know, adding faces, something like that. This is an option. Yeah, it looks fine. So it's now one object, and you're gonna see the difference here. Yeah, and of course you're gonna need some new loop cuts, and you can select this loop and make it something like this. I'm just giving an example, of course. That's not what you need. Did you get it? You can have it as one object, but in different ways. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, by the way, I lost my history. Probably there will be no turning back. So you can make it in a good way and clean way. You can have it exactly like this without no problem, or let's hope we can go back. Maybe we can save it. Who is this? Yeah, we are back in the game. Oh, thank you. I'm back in the game. All right, that was the first option, and you can just keep it in a so simple way, and you can just add loop cuts, and you can make them look pasted or as one object here. Did you get it? That's, you know, that's so simple and maybe like cheating, but sometimes you can make some cheatings. Look at this. Now that is another option, which we're gonna go that way because the first option is little bit difficult and so long. Yeah, I can accept cheating. Don't care about people saying. If you have some judging friends or someone, I always care about the result, not clean techniques. Okay, no one will understand that, right? So we're gonna make it printed, of course, so there will be no problem and it's gonna look fine. These are almost touching each other. Even if it doesn't, we can make another piece inside, and yeah, whatever. You can select all of them. I wish we could have in the same time. There's a way actually, but it's not completely working. You can just select that, Control L, and link object data, and it's gone. Yeah, that was not working. I know it's not gonna work, of course. It's working in different circumstances, not in this case. Okay, I just made it for all of them, and this is the result. And look at this, you can use it as plate if you want to use it like this. So there will be no problem as 3D objects, and also 3D printing. Look at this, some of them are barely touching. There is no problem with it. And of course we're gonna have the castle wall inside, and it's gonna look fine. Okay, that's the part one. I decided to make the videos in a small portions because it's so boring, you know. I can guess that people are getting bored so short. I can accept that. So let's make it one by one, and we can call it like designer vlog. Maybe we can chat each other, I don't know. So let's see you on the next part tomorrow, probably. Bye bye.